This is the Avant horizontal log splitter. There's little information online about this Avant attachment. It's not even on the UK Avant website, so I thought I'd make this short video showing it in operation and show how well it works on a 423. The Avant horizontal log splitter is product number A443168. It's compatible with all machines except the 200 series. In this case we're using it on a 423 and the power in the attachment has been a surprise, and it's been splitting some very knotted rings and hard oak. It apparently has a splitting force of 7.6 tons. As for the other specifications, the attachment weighs 118 kilograms. It can split logs up to 660 millimeters, but who wants logs that long? The maximum log diameter is quoted as 300 millimeters. However, you can split wood much larger with multiple goes, and huge rings can be nibbled off around the edge, so really there's no limit to the size. The advantage of this log splitter is that no lifting is required. Heavy rings can be picked up, driven to where you want to split them, and then split at height, so the logs fall into your wheelbarrow, truck, crate, or into a log store. It's obviously much easier with two people, where one lines up the wood for easier pickup, especially when large rings require multiple splitting. But the point of this log splitter is that the machine does the heavy lifting and moving. The splitting wedge is adjustable. This is the standard 4-way blade, and it's easily adjusted by removing this pin. You can buy an optional hydraulic adjuster where you can do this within the cab. This is part number A443834. You can also buy an optional 6-way splitting wedge, which is part number A443782. For prices and further information, contact your local Avant distributor. I'll put links and other useful information in the video description below. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do click the thumbs up, as that really helps.